Fluorinated greenhouse gases, known as F-gas, are artificial gases that affect climate change. The EU led the policy against F-gas emissions in 2006 by cutting their F-gas emissions by 2/3, which will continue until 2030. Hydrofluorocarbons, which is mainly used in AC refrigerants, are the most common F-gas group. The EU has banned all split air conditioner refrigerants with higher than 750 GWP starting from 2025. The HVAC industry is transitioning to low GWP refrigerants in line with government policies and public health demands. R410A is the most common refrigerant in the HVAC industry. But R410A has limitations with a GWP of 2088. R32, which has a relatively low GWP of 675 in comparison to the R410A, has become a major refrigerant in the air conditioner market in many regions, including the EU. R290 is made with propane natural refrigerant and has a low GWP of 3, which decreases its impact on the environment. R290 refrigerant is widely used in the air conditioning industry, as well as in other industries such as refrigeration and dryers. LG has a lineup of low GWP refrigerant compressors that can be implemented in various appliances. LG Rotary Compressor for R290 heat pump and air conditioning. The LG R290 rotary compressor is built with a twin-cylinder structure, which reduces vibration and noise while increasing efficiency. The variable speed compressor operates depending on system load, which saves time and energy with unsurpassed efficiency. Also, variable speed compressor allows the system to reach target temperature faster and more efficiently. In addition, the LG rotary compressor has a compact form factor that doesn't compromise performance and allows products such as air conditioners to be smaller in size as well. The LG R290 rotary compressor can be implemented in various products such as split air conditioners, monoblock air conditioners, heat pumps, dryers, etc. The LG R290 rotary compressor saves energy with reliable operation while low vibration leads to high durability. Experience the best with LG R290 rotary compressor.